Hey, so we are in Mildura. We left Plush's Bend last night. Free camp. Well, it was $10 a night, but basically free. Just book online, $10 per night, up to 7 nights stay. Really nice spot, and I sort of don't mind paying small cost camping because then you end up with an allocated site. You know you've got a site when you get there, and the site sizes are defined so you don't end up with heaps of people jammed in around there like you can get at free camps.
I'm not going in the egg. On this side. I can see closer. He doesn't want to. I can't see. He's not coming. Oh. He hates that. I'll just let him go for a bit and then I'll... Did I catch a shark?
Riley?
Yeah?
Do you want to go and grab me?
Mm-hmm.
Go and get the keys to the cruiser.
Yep.
And unlock it and get my lip grippers because that looked like it might have been a cod.
A cod? I can't see anything that's not break it. I can't see anything either. A cod really hard to catch?
No, they're very good too.
And I don't have to kill it?
Oh!
I see his tail, I did. I see his tail.
Go down there.
Mommy, I see his tail.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I see his tail, Dad. I see his tail. I see his tail. He's his tail. Whoa.
It'd be in that box, isn't it? In one of the side boxes. On here. On this side. Yeah, where the sandpit box or the...
Tread bag, Riley. The back tread bag.
The back tread bag.
You just leave him there. Don't fight him too hard.
He's a really big one.
My goodness, Kens. Look at him. You got him? You're alright. Dad's coming. Good girl. Holy crap. Hold on, hold on.
Don't break your line.
Hold on, just wait, Dylan. Dad's going to help bring it in. It's a carp.
It's huge.
But it's huge.
It is? Big one.
Oh no!
Sorry.
Oh no! Hey?
I'll catch him again. It's
That was
fine.
huge.
Nope.
We moved on from there. We're now at Mildura and we've gone to another bend on the Murray River, which is Bruce's Bend.
Say that. I think it's going to climb up that tree there. Probably the edge of that tree. Oh, look.
Not bad for our view from camp. Kids are down fishing. Carly's here giving her baby an outdoor bath. Yeah? Oh dear, very dirty baby. Ali's cooking dinner tonight, aren't you, darling?
Yes, and this side I cook dinner.
You're cooking the sausages for us?
Yes.
You're doing a
I
good...
want a cold sausage.
Yeah, you're doing a good job. Flip them over, that's right.
Sometimes they're a bit hard. But they need help doing.
Don't touch them, that's right. We've got our fisherman, or Kenzie down here fishing. And Riley and Dan have gone up there. Apparently the fish are better up that end. We'll see. They put the shrimp trap in this afternoon. And how'd we go?
Oh, already got 5.
First one's got a few. There should be some in there by tomorrow morning.
Very cool.
Check it before we go to bed.
We'll just sit down in there. Okay.
Go back in his hole.
Missed him.
Little scorpion.
Pull up our second one and how'd we go?
Not much. Only 2 in that one.
I'll get him.
Maybe barely.
Let me get him. Little boy,
You like getting them out, don't you, Kens?
I'm getting.
Any more in there? Yeah, one little one down in the corner.
Oh, we did little one. Oh, let's look at.
Right, Bob.
Look at the little he is.
Yeah, cool.
I see Ken's. He's legit transparent. Huh?
Yeah, they are, aren't they?
Transparent. You can see right through him.
Legit.
So we went fishing, and now we have a friend.
There you go, the centre of the bread, darling, not so much the crust. It's a bit softer. I think it's going to eat out of your hand.
I'm kind of scared.
Just hold the one side of the bread and hold it out and it'll
Do a
just
big
grab the
piece.
bread.
This is how I
That's cool, darling.
how much
Go out a bit
Reach
further.
out for it.
That's it. Did we get ya? We got a big long neck, haven't they?
Yeah, like at the where. Good. I can make this lure disappear. Cool. What? See it?
Oh, here comes a dog. Oh, that's good.
Apparently they've heard about the breakfast bell.
I want the small one. What? That one in the middle. I'm gonna name him. That one over there, that's Larry. That one there's Terry. Okay, we got Larry, Terry, and Jake. Larry, Terry, and Jake. You go, Larry. You go, Terry. You go, Jake. Hey, Jake. Snatching everyone's food. Looking out for baby ones. I think of babies. Wouldn't it be funny if I could have swan? He's red. Who is it?
goanna.
It's Vicky. This one's right at the bed. How come you're catching on the bed? Dad, let's go. There he is. So cute.
That's 14.
You catching all the big fish, babe?
It's 14 that we've got today.
Show me the size of your big fish. Oh, it's huge. Look at it.
It's not the size of the fish. I've got Callie.
Yes.
And at the moment we're doing a walk around Locks Island. We just stopped and had a look at how the lock works. It was really cool. Yeah, there was a houseboat coming down the lock, so kids got to see how that works, changing the water levels and putting the boats through. So I did a little hyperlapse of that, so I'll put that up now. Doing our little walk around Locks Island, just coming up to the weir at the moment, and just massive volume of water coming down the weir here, so we'll get over and show you that. So many houseboats here you can hire. We've already said that we'd like to put it on our bucket list to come back one time, and you can moor your boats or your jet skis or your kayaks on the back of the big houseboat, so you could easily spend a week out on the water here just floating around and having a fish, skiing behind the boats and things. It'd be an awesome time, I reckon. But yeah, massive river. Kids are pretty excited this morning. We're going to take them on a paddle boat down the Murray, so 2-hour cruise. Should be pretty cool.
On the boat. Did you say the flag in the steering wheel was He's got a radio
steering wheel on there.
Hi.
What do you reckon, Riley?
Big radio there. Mommy,
Must take a bit of turning for a big wheel like that, hey?
There's a tunes in there. You can listen to the radio.
We're sitting down now.
That's okay.
People might move from outside.
Go left.
There's Mildura Weir from this side, just looks like a fence running across the river from side to side. There's a series of weirs built along the Murray, where we've got design to hold water up to permanent height for the paddle steamer trade. Before the weirs are built, the river drained away and boats couldn't operate for some months at a time. So they designed weirs along the Gellick, the Murray, hold the water up, but permanently like a series of steps on the Gett River.
On the post down the end there with those red marks of the flood.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Wow. Pretty scary.
The second one from the top to 2022 flood.
Right. Is this where you drive from?
Yeah.
What?
Right. Oh, yes.
Then you go to the island.
Gear gates here, you can see gear valves ahead of us here. We call it the tunnels in the corners of the chamber.
It's really cool to watch it from the other side, the amount of water that comes
Yes.
down. It only takes a couple of minutes to drop 2 metres.
Water coming in.
Amazing.
Valves ahead
There's
of
the
us.
gates shutting.
Yeah.
Water lines itself. So the gates there, take the pressure off those gates, you can open them.
getting-
Storage,
how did they
including the water, will done with gravity.
Gate
Water
is
itself.
shutting
Yeah,
a
the
lot.
water each provides
We're going down. Yes.
I'm going 2 soon. I'm going to be 5 soon. I'm going 2 soon. Not 5 soon. I'm thinking now, man. I'm going to eat 1 chocolate there because there's a kangaroo chocolate. Right? So we're in Victoria now, in Mildura. We're on a boat, and there's Lock 11. That's the Maria River, and there's Mildura. That's where we are.
Well done. So there's Lock Island that we walked around yesterday. And there's the weir that we saw.
We're going up.
Hitched up again. Just
Yep.
fed your swans for the last time.
Yeah, fed my swans. See you, buddies. Bye. I've got none left. Sorry. They're pretty cool creatures. I really like them.
Such a nice little sound on them when they're not being cranky. You come for breakfast every morning, didn't you?
And you had afternoon tea yesterday.
And you
as
come
well.
back for afternoon tea, you greedy little buggers.
Beautiful
Well,
spot.
been a pretty cool spot here. Hey,
Yes. For free.
yeah, cool free camp, right on the water. There is quite a few spots here. Only downside is that that's the road and it's dust, so seems to be quite a lot of traffic comes through there for some reason, so it gets quite dusty and there's cars up until sort of midnight, so that's the only downside. A little bit noisy with road noise right next to the van. The only other downside was, yeah, we're here for a couple of nights, but last night there was a pontoon barbecue boat party that was just going up and down the river until 1 o'clock in the morning blasting tunes, so yeah, only kids having a bit of fun, but still. If we were to come again, once you come in Bruce's Bend, you can follow the road up around. There's a boom gate just here into the marina area. Follow it right around and then you can come around this little inlet and there's a spot just over there which is nice and flat on the point and you don't get as much through traffic. There goes one now for the morning. Yeah, I just said that, like you'll sort of get cars until 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning for some reason. So, but yeah, cool to sit here and feed the swans, watch the houseboats cruise past and the fishermen, people skiing. So anyway, we're going to go in and grab some fuel and head off, get some water and head towards Wagga, see how far we get.
Sounds good. Here's our sign.
When is that way else?
Not yet. There we are.
What about now?
Oh, a bit bouncy.
So we have made it to Mildura. We left Bruce's Bend this morning.
No, we left Bush's Bend this morning.
Let's start that again.
We're at Groton.